like loosen it up so it's easier to apply. I start with 100% raw honey and I use a teaspoon of it. And I mix that in a bowl with a tablespoon of any type of coffee beans. I use Folgers. I stir it up really well. And then when it's the right consistency, I decide that I need a mirror. So I'm going to take you guys to my bathroom where we can start this facial process. I'm actually going to put something else in it. Okay, now it's much easier to work with. So I'm going to apply this. Now I should have probably done this before I had to take my trash out, because if anyone sees me like this in real life. But anyways, this is a great way to exfoliate your face, as well as it purifies and it's good for wrinkles, everything. It smells great, it tastes great. I really like this. It kind of hurt a little putting it on because it's exfoliating it, but I don't do this often at all. The milk really helps it loosen it up so it's easier to apply. I love facials. Oh, one more thing. This is not something that I make. I don't really rave about a lot of products, but I love this. I wanted to share it with you guys. I found it at Walmart. Ecolips Lip Scrub. It's not focusing. It's organic, cruelty-free. I just really like it. It's a vanilla bean lip scrub. So I use this frequently. I just take my finger and I scrub my lip. It makes me want to kiss myself.